This is for the 3-pack Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, and I've got them right here, so we're going to open these up and check them out. It's exactly what I was needing because I have a vehicle that has the port so that you can hook up your phone to your radio. So anyway, this is what you're going to do is you're going to hook this in, and then you're going to put another line, male to male 3.5 cord that'll go to your car. But I've got these headphones as well, and so I want to be able to use, since these are, you know, the older style, the 3.5mm jack. These are Beats, and so they've got just this side and this side. So I'm gonna have to use one of these to plug into the phone. And so I wanted to compare this 3-pack to this Apple product. So here's an Apple adapter, and we're going to compare this new one. A little bit longer and flexes just as good, but I like that it's longer. Has the same type of connection. Let's see if we can zoom in here. Has the same type of connection. Is it a little bit longer at all? Nope, same size. But this 3-pack is a good deal because these are handy to have in every car. You can keep one with your headphones, but they work. So actually, let's test them out, and let's go to a song, and we'll just play something. Yep, and that works right out of the package. So anyway, this is the difference between the original OEM, and then here is the new 3-pack that I got. So super good deal, and these are going to work out well.